be making just a quick little side dish of fried rice. You can always make it a dinner option if you add any chicken or shrimp, but I'm just going to use it as a side today. I'm going to start off by getting my pan nice and hot, and I'm going to add some olive oil right to my pan, about a tablespoon. I'm going to add some mixed veggies that's been chopped up, just a little bit of mushrooms and onions to get sauteed. And you can always add peas, carrots, green onions, anything that you like to eat with your fried rice. I just wanted to keep it simple. And we're gonna get them nice and sauteed. While they're sauteing, we're also gonna go ahead and season them. You have to season at every point. Pepper, salt, garlic powder. Next, you're gonna crack in 1 egg. And white rice. So I'm using jasmine rice. I cook this as usual, and then you put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes just so that it cools down. And this basically helps it so that it doesn't cook super fast when you're making your fried rice. Go ahead and season again. Pepper, salt, garlic powder. I'm also gonna add teriyaki sauce and soy sauce.